the queen. Hata sijui mbona unajishuku.
Hello guys, in this video I'll be making a micro 3-strand braids wig. I hope you enjoy everything. So here I am just setting up my wig cap on the mannequin head by using pins. Then I'll go ahead. This is the braids that I'm going to be using in the color 1/33. I've already pre-stretched them out and I'm using shorter braids at the back and longer braids at the front because I want them to be kind of uniform in length. Then this is the latch hook that I'm going to be using. It's a small sized pin and that's it. So I'm going to use the crochet method. I'm just going to pull it in and out as you see me doing there, and since they are pretty small in size it will take a long time, but I'm up for the task. I hope you enjoyed the video to the end. Kindly please stay to the very end and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So in regards to the spacing, I'm also using like a manageable space size on the back because I don't want it to be so bulky at the back part of the wig. So I'll just go ahead, space them out evenly and just continue working on them. And I'll continue, I'll braid up to the very tip of the braids because I don't want them to be running whenever I have already finished. And I also don't like the look of twist at the ends of the braid, so I'm not going to be twisting them at the ends. I'll just braid them to the very end, as you will see later. This is how far I've come with the wig. It's almost a week later and this is the progress. As you can see, I've also spaced them out, but they lay on top of each other, so you won't see the spaces if they lay properly. So that's the essence of it, and the spacing is much, it's not bulky. That's what I was going for, and that's my client, that's how my client wanted her wig to be. So I'll just go ahead and continue weaving it or crocheting the wig, crocheting the hair onto the wig cap, as you see right here. I think it is self-explanatory. It's a 3-strand braid, so I'm just going to separate the 2 strands into 3, and there it is. I'm going to work on it, braid up to the very end of the length. That's what I'm doing for every strand on the wig, and I will do this continuously up to the for the whole of the wig cap. If you are watching to this point and you love my work, you love how neat the wig is coming out, and you also love the density of the wig, and just generally you would like to put an order across, don't hesitate to contact me at beyote.accessories on Instagram and TikTok. I'll also leave my WhatsApp contact in the description box, so you can contact me directly and we'll be able to work on something. I'll be open to shipping worldwide very soon, so you can just bring in your orders and we'll organize for all of that if you do love my work. I also do sell satin hair accessories such as satin bonnets, satin lined shower caps. They are large enough, so it's an investment. I also do make scrunchies, I make turbans, just any hair accessory. Reach out to me and I will sort you out.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind.
Right here I'm already at the closure part. I've already finished working on my wig. You can see all that spacing. It's really up on the front area. It's not as bulky or as dense, but it's covered up real good. So I'm going to work on the closure part to make sure that the wig comes out as neat as possible, just as the client wanted. And still I'm just using my latch hook. I'll go ahead, insert, and I'll be very careful because I don't want to damage the Swiss lining or the Swiss lace. I'll just be careful not to damage it, but I'll also use, at this point I'm using like smaller sized braids, smaller size of the braids, because I want the illusion of really smaller braids or micro braids. You will see that at the very end, so kindly stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know whatever it is that you think about this video.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
Unfortunately, my people, I lost all footage of how I did the blunt cut on this wig. I lost all that footage. I also lost the footage on how I put the hair in hot water and conditioner, but this is the result of how the wig looks like. It's a 16-inch micro braids wig. Guys, don't you just love this? Don't you love this? I'm really in love with this wig. It took me approximately 3 weeks to finish making this particular wig. So guys, I'm open for orders. If you like, if you want a micro braids wig, a handmade micro braids wig, contact me on beyote.accessories and we will work something up for you and you will have your wig done and ready. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? I think I'm just in love with the work of my hands. I'm in love with this. I'm so in love with this. But guys, yeah, to achieve this blunt cut, all you need to do is just cut the edges, cut the tips, and just put it into hot water plus conditioner mixture, and that will seal off the edges and they won't be running. They won't run or unravel. That is how I achieved the blunt cut, guys. I think this is a lovely wig. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section if you love this wig, if you are willing to try out a micro braided blunt cut wig. So thank you for staying to this point and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.